Have you ever watched those viral AI blogs with consistent characters and thought, how do they keep their characters looking exactly the same in every single video? What if I told you that you could create your own viral AI blog series with characters that never change appearance, even if you have zero video editing skills? Today, I'm going to show you how OpenArt is changing AI blogging and making it possible for everyone to create consistent, engaging content that actually goes viral. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create consistent AI characters that never change appearance. Then I will show you the exact process for turning your character into engaging blog content. And finally, the secret features in OpenArt that make viral AI blogs possible. Before finding OpenArt, I was so inspired by those viral AI blogs and I decided to create my own. I had amazing ideas for content, engaging scripts, and I was ready to create my AI blogs. But then reality hit. Every time I generated a new image for my character, it looked completely different. Sometimes it looks like a completely different thing every time. And the worst part, inconsistent characters make your content look amateur and unprofessional. Viewers can connect with a character that keeps changing, and the algorithm doesn't favor content that looks low quality. That's when I realized there are two types of AI blog creators. Those who struggle with inconsistent characters and give up after a few attempts, and those who discover tools like OpenArt that solve the consistency problem completely. One approach leads to frustration, while the other creates professional blogs that actually get viral. This is where OpenArt completely changed my AI blogging game. It's not just another AI image generator. It's specifically designed to create and maintain consistent characters across unlimited images and now also across blogs. And the first thing to start with your AI blog is create your OpenArt account. And to do this, you just have to go and click the link on my description. And from there, you can go and create your own account. So once you create your OpenArt account, it's going to look exactly like this. And if it doesn't appear like this to you, what you can do is just go ahead and click in one-click story. And then from here, we can start with the creation of our blog. And OpenArt just released this amazing new feature. So to create our AI blog, we have actually two options. We have the character blog and we have the explainer video. But since I'm going to use a day in my life blog, the option that I'm going to be using is the explainer video. But don't worry, in another video, I'm going to be talking also about the character blog. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. And to use this option, the first thing that you have to do is just go to the section of Create. Over here, the first thing that we have to do is just go ahead and create our script. So there is a few options for you to create this. You can go ahead and create your own prompt. So I'm just going to be using Day in My Life blog of a rabbit YouTuber. Otherwise, you can also go and ask OpenArt to create the script with AI for you. But you can also go ahead and choose one of these options that OpenArt already have for you. So you can go and choose between all of these options. The next step is also go ahead and choose the video style for your blog. So you can make photorealistic, animation, micro word, crayon, pixel art, Ghibli style, and cyberpunk. And you can even go ahead and make your custom style. So this is very useful in case that you want to generate a specific style for your own blog. So let's say that I want to create this blog in a Disney style. I can go ahead and describe the Disney style over here, and then the AI will take it as a base to create my video. But for my own blog, I'm actually going to be using the photorealistic since I want to see how this will make it. Now it's time that we choose the voice actor. And to do this, you can just go and let it in auto so the AI will choose the best for you. Otherwise, you can click in this arrow and then from here you can see the many options that they have and then choose from all of these options.
Join millions using OpenArt to bring their ideas to life with AI.
I like it, but I think I want my rabbit to be a male, so we're just going to be looking for that kind of voice. I think I'm going to be choosing this one.
Millions of creators trust OpenArt.
As you can see, it's a bit more young, so I think if I want my rabbit to be a YouTuber, I would like it to be a young YouTuber, so we can use this one. Over here, we can also go and choose our aspect ratio. I'm going to be creating a day in my life, so I want it to be TikTok blog. So I'm just going to keep it on 9:16. And we can move on into choose the background music. The first one is just an auto select trending song. So you can just leave this one and then let the AI choose for you. Otherwise, you can also go ahead and use the Suno music. If you don't know Suno music, it's an AI where you can go ahead and generate your own music. But if you don't want to do that, you can also go ahead and upload a song. But if you want to use music from OpenArt, but you want to choose it yourself, you're just gonna go and click in pick a song. And then from here, you have all the options. So we can try it on some. So you just go ahead and choose from all of those options. As you can see, there are so many. So you have a big list to choose from. For my blog, I'm just gonna let the AI choose my story. And once you have all of those settings done, you can click in create your own story. So I'm just going to click in create, and now it's going to take 1,500 credits and only 3 minutes to generate my story. So we're just going to wait a little. Now my blog is done, and now we can go ahead and take a look.
Morning starts with sunlight and a good ear stretch. A quick groom and carrot juice kick me into gear. Studio time, lights on, camera positioned. I record today's intro, ears perfectly framed. Editing is the grind, but I love fine-tuning hop transitions. Parsley Power Lunch keeps the creativity flowing. I answer your comments while catching fresh air. Upload button smashed, video live. Analytics check, then it's lights out. See you tomorrow.
So as you can see, that was very cute. I really love it. This video, it's so nice. It's perfectly done. It's so cute how everything makes sense in a day in my life blog. So I really like it, but I think that I would like to change some things. So you don't have to worry that you have to make the video over and over again till you get the result that you want. Another amazing feature that OpenArt have is that we can go ahead and edit part by part if we don't like something. So to do this, we're just gonna click in edit this story. I know you might be wondering, will my AI blog character look genetic or fake? Well, as you can see, OpenArt creates incredible realistic and unique characters, and the quality is so good that viewers often can't tell this is AI generated. The quality is so good that viewers love it. Plus, you have complete control over customizing your character's appearance to match your vision. So I really like it, my AI blog. I think it's very cute. But I think the only part that doesn't make much sense is this part over here, where we have the 2 computers, but it's one only, and then we have a little bunny there. That doesn't really make sense to the video. And to change this, the first thing that I will do is go ahead and make a new image for this scene. And to do this, you just go ahead and you can take a look of the prompt that we have to generate this image. Over here, I think the prompt is very good, but I just want to retry the image again. And this is amazing because with just one click, we can do this with OpenArt. So I'm just gonna go and click in retry image, and we can get a new image for this scene. And now we got this new image, which I find very cute. I think it makes more sense with the voiceover, and in general, the image is much better. What you have to do is just go ahead and go to the video generator. And over here, we're just gonna go and create our video again. So you're just gonna click in create video. And as you can see, now this video makes much more sense with the blog that we were creating. And as you can see, it was very easy to edit our video, so it makes more sense. So now everything is perfect. Since I thought that was the only mistake that the AI generate, which is incredible because we have a lot of different scenes. And finally, you can also go ahead and change the audio property. So over here, we can just go ahead and change the audio volume, the audio speed, the fade in and the fade out. So you can go and adjust those things. So now I can go and take a preview of my video with those changes that I just generated. So we can click in preview.
Morning starts with sunlight and a good ear stretch. A quick groom and carrot juice kick me into gear. Studio time, lights on, camera positioned. I record today's intro, ears perfectly framed. Editing is the grind, but I love fine-tuning hop transitions. Parsley Power Lunch keeps the creativity flowing. I answer your comments while catching fresh air. Upload button smashed, video live. Analytics check, then it's lights out. See you tomorrow.
And as you can see, now our video is perfectly done. I know you might be wondering, I don't think I have the video editing skills that can create professional AI blogs. But you don't have to worry. OpenArt's image-to-video features handle much of the technical work, and they are the most simple editing tools that can help you to put everything together. The key is having consistent images to start with. And once our video is done, we can go ahead and click in Share. Now, you might be wondering what this incredible tool costs. OpenArt subscription costs less than hiring a single editor. And unlike traditional production, you can create unlimited content once you have your character set up. Think about it. If you create just one viral AI blog that gains a following, OpenArt pays for itself. And with the ability to create unlimited episodes and series, the potential is incredible. Now you might be thinking, I'm not sure if I'm creative enough for this. That's exactly why OpenArt is perfect. The tool handles the technical complexity while you focus on the creativity ideas. You don't need to be a filmmaker or an animator. You just need to have good ideas and willingness to experiment. But there is something important to consider. AI blogging is still very new, which means there is a huge opportunity. The creators who start now with professional tools like OpenArt will have a significant advantage as this trend continues to grow. But this window won't last forever. As more people discover AI blogging, the competition will increase. So here's what to do next. Click the link below and try OpenArt and create your first AI blogging character. Develop your character personality and plan your first episode this week. Start creating content and see how quickly you can create engaging AI blog series. The AI revolution is happening right now, and OpenArt gives you everything you need to be part of this with professional, consistent characters that viewers will love. And if you're also wondering what else you can create with the help of AI, you can click my video on how to create a storybook with the help of AI and sell it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.